All right. Photosynthesis versus cellular respiration comparison explanation. Here we have in this graphic the basic makeup of both the metabolic processes, both photosynthesis and cellular respiration. The basic of all cells is that all organisms require a constant input of energy. Those cells create that energy by cellular respiration, photosynthesis, or both. And basics are that energy comes in the form of ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate. It's a highly energetic molecule that can be used up and then replenished. And that's what makes it such an important energy molecule. We'll start with photosynthesis. Plant cells use energy from sunlight to convert carbon dioxide into sugar molecules like glucose. We can see that here, sunlight and glucose as a byproduct. During the process, plants consume carbon dioxide and then produce oxygen as a waste product. Because photosynthesis includes breaking an energy storing molecule, some ATP is required. So this is the side where we're using up the ATP that is stored. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast of a plant cell and is considered an anabolic reaction because we're taking smaller molecules and building them into large sugar molecules. And the basic formula for photosynthesis is sunlight plus some ATP plus carbon dioxide and some water equals glucose here, and your oxygen as a waste product. We'll go over the formulas a little bit better here in a second. In contrast, cellular respiration, most animals create energy by the process of cellular respiration. It takes place in the mitochondria and is considered a catabolic reaction because we are taking those large sugar molecules and then breaking them down and using them in smaller molecules. Overall, cellular respiration is the process of turning those sugars into energy, and this is where our depleted ATP comes in, and in the process of cellular respiration, we build that ATP back up. Cellular respiration is made up of 3 steps: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and then the electron transfer chain. If we go to this graphic, we can kind of see how both of them are interconnected. Top, we have the example of photosynthesis happening in the chloroplast, using our light energy, our CO2, and a little bit of water, creating that glucose, creating that oxygen, then the mitochondria is intaking that oxygen, intaking that glucose, plus a little bit of energy, making that ATP to make the whole process happen over and over again. Here we can see Here we can see we don't have it, okay. Either way, this shows the makeup of all of it. And not every cell needs both of them. Obviously, us as human beings can't perform photosynthesis, so then we must intake our glucose from elsewhere. That's why we intake food and plants and animal protein and everything that has the sugars in it that we need. But some plants can perform photosynthesis and cellular respiration, and at that point they have the best of both worlds because they can use up their ATP and their energy and then create ATP and energy all in the same bit of cells. And I think that's it.